Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to discuss a new scenario. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding different technologies like SSIS, SQL Server Development, Performance Tuning, and Power BI and DAX. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'm going to explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported to design this report under. Go to the fields. Now you can see that category, customer, so date, geography, internet sales, product, sales territory, subcategory. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding a relationship, it's very important in Power BI. We'll try to see that is also. Just go to that model, collapse these two, scroll down. Now we can see that already I have enabled the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. For example, if I place the mouse here, we can see that based on these key columns from the product table product key and internet sales table product key, I have enabled the relationship. Even you can understand what kind of direction it is. It's like one direction to many direction. It means that filter propagation flowing from the dimension table to the fact table. Likewise, I have enabled the relationship so between the dimension and fact. We'll try to see all kind of possible options in the upcoming sessions. For timing, we'll try to understand today's report design only. Just click on report. So now we can see that, so these are the card tables. So these are table, this is the card visual, and this is the table, this is the slicer. So what I have done here is, so before telling the details of the report, I want to tell the, so I have created one separate table to display the sales range. Okay, for displaying the sales range, I have created a separate table, so I'll try to show that. So go to here. So here I have created one customized table. So here we can see that sales range, so min range, max range, index. So what I am doing here is, so I have the sales range. I want to find the number of customers falling under in this sales range. So what are the sales range 1 to 999, in between how many customers are there? 1000 to 5000, how many customers are there? 5000 to 8000, how many customers? 8000 to 10,000, how many customers? Likewise, I have created a column for the sales range. Here I am displaying the what is the minimum range. Okay, what is the minimum range? 1000, 5001, 8001, 10,001. What is the max range? And index I have created separately. Why I have created index means here, so while displaying in the report, it's not giving in a proper order like ascending or descending order. So that is the reason I have created this column for a helping purpose while sorting and all. Okay, now same thing I have dragged into this table visual. Whatever the table I have created in this customer range table, so I have dragged in the sales range column. Now you can see that 1 to 999, 1000 to 5000, 5000 to 8000. Likewise, so this is the customer count. So it means that in this sales range, so 1 to 999, so these number of customers are there. In this sales range, these number of customers. In this sales range, this number of customers. Likewise, each sales range we have the number of customers. So total number of customers 18,484. Okay, now we can see the customers. So what are the customers available in our data model? So these number of the customers. Now, so if you want to validate, we can see that for 18,000 to 20,000, how many customers? One. Now you can see 18,000 to 20,000, so one customer. 15,000 to 18,000, 5 customers. 15,000, 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so for 10,000 to 15,000. So likewise, see for 10, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so 13. So likewise it's giving the, so correctly for whatever the sales range we have, based on that it's giving the customer count. For example, I want to do the slicing based on the dates. I want to, based on the date range, I want to see the customer count for the given sales range. So I will try to do that. Now you can see that, now you can see that. So I'm looking for the customer count from this date to this date for this sales range. Now you can see, so from this date to this date, so 18,207 the customer count. In this case it's giving the customer count properly, but total is not giving correctly. See, total is, it's not working properly, but in this measure it's giving correctly 18,207. Even I'll try to do that slicing. We can see all customer value sales are so below 1000 only. Now you can check all customers from this date to this date, so the customer range is only below 1000 only. If I do the slicing some more, now we can see that from 10,000 to 15,000, 12 customers. See, if we calculate, you will get 12 records. But here the total value is not working properly, but in this measure it's giving correctly. So the total customer in this date range is 14,577, but individually sales range 1 to 900, these are the number of customers. 1000 to 5000, these number of customers. 5000 to 8000, 17 customers. So 8000 to 10,000, 6 customers, and 10,000 to 15,000, so 12 customers. So likewise, so I have created the expression. So it's giving the, based on the sales range it's giving. So we can slice any date range, it works. Likewise I have designed the report. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So please subscribe my channel, stay tuned for other videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.